Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, driver attention alert system. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.